But if you 6 miles away, hell no, keep your money and make a sandwich. Go home, bro. You made good money. I agree. You know, I got 19 on this dash, 17 on the other dash. Oh yeah, let me go ahead and just turn this shit off because they tweaking, baby. They tweaking. We did 19 on the previous on this dash. I'm ending it right now. 17 on the previous dash, and then shit, we did like $100 on Uber. Damn, hold up. $4 peak pay. Now hold up now. They don't be doing no motherfucking $4 peak pay over here. The fuck is going on? I'm glad I did decline that last order. They had a $4 peak pay on it, y'all. That wasn't no good order. Look at this shit. They don't ever have $4 peak pay in my zone, boy. I stay over here by the rich people. They only do that shit in the hood. Hold up. Bro, they got $4 peak pay right here. What the hell? $2 peak pay from now until 11. And another $2 peak pay. What the hell? I can't even remember the last time I seen a $4 peak pay in my zone. So I'm glad I declined that order for $9 because that was really a $5 order with $4 of peak pay on it. See, I'm happy I declined that shit because that order would not have been worth my time. But you know what? I'm gonna hit dash now and I'm gonna just see what come through as I make my way where I'm trying to go. Because that's crazy. $4 peak pay is crazy. It just is. Maybe we can live stream sometime, discuss DoorDash. You want to go live together? I tell you what, we'll think about it. I ain't making no promises. Yeah, see, look at this. That's with a $4 peak pay. That's really a $6 order. But it want me to go down to Collinsville. That ain't the worst order ever, but nah, I'm good, man. I made some decent money. I'm trying to go home unless the orders is straight too good for me to pass up. I'm used to seeing $3 peak pay. What is this? Yeah, this ain't good. Look at this. $19.25 for 18 miles. Yeah, this ain't good. This is $4 peak pay you seeing too. These are orders with $4 peak pay. So subtract the 4 from everything. Kaylee, let's not make this political for channels. What y'all talking about? If you're talking about taxes, then hey, they apply to us. Remember that math? Yes, sir. Rolo, what's up, Rolo? Trader, what's your opinion on the New Orleans tragedy? I think it's a tragedy and we should be praying for the families. That's what I think. Go home, smoke some super lemon haze. That don't sound like a bad idea, bro. It really don't. Bro, you out of here. Go home and make a sandwich. A sandwich. Oh, fuck. I got to go buy some food. I ain't got nothing to eat at home. Damn. I ain't got nothing to eat at home, y'all. Shit. I just realized. That was a decent little night with Uber though, I ain't gonna lie. And we still waiting on we waiting on that Taco Bell order to process for the tips. Yeah, that's a pretty solid night on Uber. I ain't even gonna cap. That's pretty dang solid. That $4 peak pay is really a scam. Most of the good merchants is already closed. So that $4 peak pay is for Taco Bell, McDonald's, maybe a Chinese order here or there. But yeah, let me see what this order is coming in right here. Yep, $10 for 10 miles. That means this is really $6 for 10 miles. So yeah, they do that when they know they're not gonna lose money on the situation. So yeah, I ain't missing out on nothing. $4 peak pay for 40 minutes means nothing to me. Literally. So let's end that. Let's flip this camera back around. We did good. We did 101. It's gonna go up to 110 on Uber Eats. And we did another 36 on DoorDash. So that's what, $146 in 3 hours? That's pretty damn good. 146 in 3 hours with Uber Eats and DoorDash is a record.